House and lot o condo? Ito ang pros and cons para malaman mo kung ano ang bagay sa'yo. Hi, I'm Condoman PH. Number 1, space. Sa house and lot, mas malaki, may sarili kang yard. Sa condo, mas compact, limited ang space, pero easier to maintain. Number 2, maintenance. Sa house and lot, kailangan alagaan lahat, from gardens and repairs. Sa condo, may building maintenance. Mas convenient, may monthly dues. Number 3, security. Sa house and lot, kailangan na sarili mong security measures. Sa condo, 24/7 ang security and controlled access. Number 4, amenities and lifestyle. Sa house and lot, mas private pero fewer shared amenities. Sa condo, may pool, gym, and community facilities, pero mas close quarters with neighbors. Number 5, investment and resale. Sa house and lot, usually long-term ang value, pero mas mahal ang upfront cost. Sa condo, mas affordable entry, madaling i-rent out. Pero value appreciation is lower than land. Ikaw, ano ang pipiliin mo? House and lot o condo? Comment below. For more tips about sales, income, and property investments, follow Condoman PH.